Before going any farther into this particular assignment, we need to do a couple of things. And the first thing I'm going to do is connect to my file locker. Well, I'm going to click on Finder first. Then once I'm in Finder, I can go to Go, click, and inside the JLab you can usually click on Network, but since I'm using the wireless connection, I'm going to tell it to connect to Server. And since I'm on the Elvis file locker, I'm just going to tell it to connect. We always go in as a guest, tell it to connect, and I'm going to tell it that we're using Elvis. And I am now connected to the Elvis file locker. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start up Microsoft Word. And Word travels, it starts up much faster now than it did in previous editions. I mean, it's just really fast. You may or may not see this Word document gallery. There's a little box down here that says don't show this when opening Word. If that box was checked, you're not going to see the gallery open up. It's not a problem. If you do see the gallery, you want to make sure that you select the Word document, then say choose. If that window didn't appear, you're going to go straight to select a new Word document anyway. So either way, it doesn't matter. Now let me flip back. I'm going to go back to my web browser. And I did that by doing Command Tab, pressing the Command key down and tapping the tab, then moving from one document to the other. Here's a box that says click here to access the text required for this project. And I click on it, and indeed it did open in a new window. I'm going to do a Command A to copy all the text, then a Command C, a Command A to highlight all the text, select all the text, and Command C to copy all the text. We could have done that by simply going up to Edit and say select all, then Edit and select, do the copy command. Either way, we're going to copy all the text that is inside that box. I'm going to do a Command Tab to go back to Microsoft Word, and a Command V to paste. Now I could have also gone up to Edit and drag down to the word paste to do the same thing. We now have this text inside of our Word document. Well, let's go ahead and save it. I'm going to do a Save As, and I want to tell it that we're going to go to the file locker. We're going to go in the Elvis part of it. There really is an Ernie pile there. And for right now, I'm going to call this, let's put your last name on it. I'm using the imaginary student Ernie Pyle, misspelled, P-Y-L-E. And we'll call this Word 3. And click on Save. And when we do that, we can see, that was really loud, we can see the pile word, which will be your name dash Word document title on the title line, so that we know that this indeed worked.